Good morning, dear students. I am Mrs. Naveda Saquib Kazi, and I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's class, we'll be learning few basic concepts about geometrical figures, and in that, we'll be learning about angles. It is a very simple thing that we all know, and it is very important for us to revise also, because we must have forgotten certain things during our vacations, and it is important for us to revise and recollect what all we know about angles. So let's get started. The shapes that you see around you, your television set, the window, the table, the clock, the hands of the clock, the chair that you're sitting on, or the road where the three roads meet. Now, if you look in their surrounding, wherever you see two lines meeting, there is an angle being formed. So if you look here at the television set, you can see that there is line, here this line and this line, when they meet together, they form an angle. Same way here, also here this line and this line, when they meet together, they form an angle here. Likewise, the hands of the clock, if you see these two lines are meeting also at a point, so this is also they are forming a angle. So in your surrounding, wherever you see two lines meeting, there is an angle being formed. So we have learned about what is an angle. We know that there are two lines like line PR and PQ. When they meet at a point, here there is a line PQ and there is another line PR. When they are meeting at a point P, they form an angle. So these lines that you see, which are helping us to form an angle, are known as the arms of the angle, and the point where they are meeting, जहाँ पर ये meet कर रहे हैं, that point is called as the vertex. And the place that you see between these two arms, that is the place where the angle is being formed. Understood? Where the points are meeting, it forms an angle. Here in this picture, if you see a laptop which has been opened, you can see the windows, you can see the hands of the clock forming 3 o'clock. If you see the chair, or if you see this road, if you notice all of them, we see right angles in the corner of tables and bricks. Here in this picture, if you see these two lines where they are meeting each other, this line and this line of the window, they are meeting at an angle of 90 degree. Alright, so this type of angles where they form a 90 degree angle is called as a right angle. Okay, what is it called? It is called as a right angle. So if you have a look at this line also, where this laptop is, here this point, this one line, and this is the other line where they are meeting. This point where they are meeting, they form an angle, and if you measure this angle is 90 degree. So this type of angle is called as a right angle. Here in this picture, if you see angles being formed. If you see the piece, the slice of a watermelon here, or the beak of the bird, if you see, what angle does it make? Is it making a 90 degree angle? No, it is making an angle which is quite less as compared to the angle which was 90 degree. है ना, 90 degree से कम है ना. This, the mouth of the alligator also, if you see, it is not 90 degree. थोड़ा सा खुला हुआ है ना. Such type of angle which measure less than 90 degree are called as acute angle. If you see the hand of this boy, it is not 90 degrees, it is less than 90 degrees, so it is called as an acute angle. The pictures that are there on the screen right now, if you see, if I draw a line on the sofa set that is there, the sofa, this head of the sofa, and this the place where you sit. Okay, this angle which is being formed between these two lines is more than 90 degree, right? 90 degree से ज़्यादा है. So this type of angle is called as an obtuse angle, where the angle measure is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, so such type of angles, if you see this roof, this angle which is being formed here between these two sides is also more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, so it is an obtuse angle. So in short, what did we learn today? We learned about three types of angles. First was acute angle. An angle that is less than 90 degree is called as acute angle. Right angle, an angle that is exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, an angle that is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degree is called as an obtuse angle. Here in this picture, if you see, you have to observe the following figures and write the right angle, acute angle or obtuse angle in the box. Here, this you can do it for your homework and we can discuss it in the comment section below as to which was the answers that you got correct. The first angle that you see here, you have to write down the name of this angle, whether it is more than 90 degree. No, it is less than 90 degree, so it is an acute angle. Okay. Next, if you see this angle, this is more than 90 degree, so it is obtuse angle. If you see this angle again, it is less than 90 degrees, so it is also acute angle. The last two angles, you can do it for your homework. Alright. This is also for your homework. Observe in which picture you find acute angles, right angles and obtuse angles. I hope with this video it was quite clear to all of you the difference between acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. With this, I end my session here. Thank you.